Alright, to complete the video, let's quickly create the filters that will help us to navigate between the cells to better understand what we're doing. So to create the filters, we come over here and we create here, we click here and we go to sheet, and then here we will put the date, drag the date into filters, and then we select range of date, up next, and then that means we want from 2020 to 2021, apply, okay, and then having selected that, we put the engine so we can know the engines that were sold more, and that we say use all, and then apply, okay. Then we will select transmission. We hold transmission and put it into filter, use all, apply, okay. Then we will go to body style in filter. Body style, we take body style and put it in here in the filter, and then we use all, apply, okay. So having done the body style, we'll do the gender. So we take the gender, put it in here, and then we use all the genders, apply, then okay. So having done that, we will now customize it. We click on the drop down, apply to worksheet, uh, all using data source. So we click to all using this data source. We come to the engine, apply to worksheet here, to all using this data source. We come to transmission, apply to the worksheet, to all using this data source. The same thing in the body style, and then the gender, we apply it to all that is using this data source in this data set. So now what we do now is we go back to our dashboard, and then over here we click down here, and then we go to filters, and then we click on the let's start with transmission. So we click on transmission. This is our transmission, so we take our transmission into this area. So we put our transmission here, and then we make it a multiple value drop down, so that if we want to select, we can drop down. If we want to know what happened, if you want to know the sales in auto vehicle, we remove the manual here, and then we can be able to see that it is 194.33 million US dollars worth of vehicles, and then the manual the same thing. All right. So having done that, we will bring another filter that we've created. We can take the body style, click on the body style here, and then we drag it to this area that we've already created for it, and then we put it in a multiple value drop down, okay. And here you can select the body style that you want to know what's happening. If you want to know about SUVs, just deselect all these ones, so you can see only SUV vehicle. If you want to select all, you just select all of them, okay. So having done that, we go to our filter again, and then we take the engine filter, we take the engine, and then we drag the engine over here again, press it under here, okay, and then we give it a multiple value drop down, okay, and then we make it smaller here. All right. So that means if you want to select, if you want to know what happened, in the double A overhead camshaft, you just deselect the overhead, and then you can be able to know what happened here, or you can select all as well, or anyone you like. If you want to know what happened, you select all. You can even select none. Alright, so we go to our filter again, and then we take the date. Okay, let's take the gender. We take gender, we drag it and drop it down here, and then we make it multiple value drop down. Okay, and then the date. So we take the date and filters the date. Okay, so we take the date and press the date here. Alright, so over here we will come here and then select, drag this text here and press it over here, and then we can name it filter panel. Call it filter panel. We select it, we select all of it. We can underline it, or maybe not underline it. We put it in the center, make it bolder, and then we can give this this color. Let's give it white color. Okay, alright, so we take the filter and place it over here. So this is our filter panel. Alright, so we can adjust it a bit. Okay, and then we drag this text again and place it here, and then we can call it sales insight. So we call it sales insight. Alright, so we select all of them, put it in the middle, make it border. We can put this color in blue. From here we give it a blue color, and then here we make it white. So we make it white like this. Okay, alright, so we take it and drop it here. We can as well increase the size, so we edit it, we make it 12. Okay, so this will be our sales insight. Alright, having done that, we will now name our dashboard here. So we come over here and take the text again, press it here, and then we call it car sales dashboard. Car sales dashboard. Alright, we select all of them and put it in the middle, make it bolder, and we can select like 24, and we use we can use this comic scan, and we put it in the yellow color, and okay, so this will be the name. We can increase the size, can make it 26. That's better. Alright, so having done this, we will now bring the the images to complement these KPIs. So to do that, we go to image, drag it, drop it here, and before that, we will put this thing in tiles so that our image can all right, let's leave it in flooding. Okay, put that image here. Okay, let's put the image here, and then we choose our image. Hanging, so then okay, we drag the image here, just slow. Okay, and choose image from what we have already created. So this is the total cars sold icon. So we select this self icon here, and fit the image in the center, apply, then OK. So this will be our image. So we place this image here. All right, and then for here, we will take the image again and drop it here. And then we choose the image from the background. This should be the image, and center image, apply, then OK. So we reduce it, and then we press it here. OK, and then we put another image here. So we drag this image here, and then we choose our image, the average price icon, and then center the image and apply. OK, now we've done that, we reduce the size of the image and press it here. Okay, so and we come over here and drag this image here, and then we choose the image, the car icon, and we fill it into center, apply, and OK. So this will be our car icon. So we drag it over here. All right. So this is our complete dashboard, and then we have all these filters here in place. that can help us to navigate. And so this is our complete dashboard that can help us. We can use if you want to know the total sales by body style, you can see over here that we have the SUV which sold more, and then followed by these hatchback vehicles, and then the white pearl vehicles sold more here. So we can change this. We format this, and then we change this to white, the color, and then we make it border so we can be able to see it properly. And here we can remove this uh, header. Okay, so this is the final dashboard. Thank you so much for following this page and learning more on this how to build impressive dashboards. You can see that we've done great, and just follow and like this page, subscribe to this page, and then you will stand to learn more. So we can put this image here. Please follow this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.